guys. So today I have for you my new Holy Grail brow product. I have tried so many brow products in my day. I have a whole drawer full of them. I've tried pencils, I've tried gels, I've tried powders, I've tried tints, I've tried markers, I've tried everything that there is, and most of the ones that I tried I did not like. The closest thing I ever found to the perfect brow product was the NYX Brow Kit. That is very good, but it's also very time consuming. When you use a powder to do your brows, it takes quite a while to sculpt them and shape them and fill in the empty spots and have it look, you know, as perfect as possible. And I don't want to spend that much time doing my brows. The fastest way to do your brows is with a pencil, but I was never happy with any pencil that I had found until now. And boy, was I surprised when my Holy Grail brow product was something that was easy to get locally and $2.80. When I bought this pencil yesterday, I wasn't expecting much. I was expecting it to be horrible, to be honest with you. And it's not. It is the best brow pencil I have ever used. And without further ado, where did I get it from and what is it? It is from Love & Beauty, which is Forever 21's brand. They completely redid their line. Everything in the line is new and improved, and this is fantastic. And I'm telling you, I have tried probably dozens of brow products. So here's what it looks like. It's a retractable pencil. It looks like that. $2.80. The formula is to die for. When I used it for the first time, I just couldn't believe how nicely it applied and how easy it was to apply it. And as if that wasn't good enough, it has a spoolie on the other end. So you don't even need a separate pencil for a spoolie because it has one built in. But seriously, this applies so amazing that you will just have to give your brows just a quick glide with the spoolie because it goes on so nice. The key to this, the reason why I think this is so fantastic, is because this pencil it seems to have a lot of wax in it, and that makes it apply so easily because most eyebrow pencils tend to be either dry and they break when you apply them, or they're so pigmented that you have to go over and over and over them with the spoolie, and you don't have to do that with this. It just goes on like a dream. And let me swatch it for you. I got it in the shade gray because that is the best shade for my eyebrows. My eyebrows are not gray, but if you have blonde eyebrows, gray seems to go well. And I do have a lot of gray in my hair. My hair is sort of a combination of blonde and gray and white. And when I color it, I normally color it like an ash blonde, and it kind of mixes with the gray and the white in my hair. So the gray brow pencil just goes really well with my brow hair color. So if you're looking for a new brow product and you have never tried one of these, $2.80, you guys. It is amazing, amazing. It's the first Forever 21 Love & Beauty product that I have tried since they completely revamped their line. And now, of course, the wheels are turning and I'm thinking to myself, oh no, you know, what else do they have that's really good? I've only seen one video about their revamping of the line and the new products, and the one that I saw, the person who did it, which was Dulce Candy, she liked some of the things she didn't like, some of the things she thought were okay. I don't really remember whether she reviewed this product or not, but it is incredible, and I don't have to search anymore. This is so good that I don't feel like I have to try any more brow products now. I'm done. And I am especially done because, did I mention it's $2.80? I just can't believe that I found something that great for that price. So from now on, when I need a new eyebrow pencil, I'm going to Forever 21 to buy it because this is amazing. I'll see you next time, you guys. Bye.